Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. This is going to be my 1 week review of the Apple leather case for the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. This is the saddle brown color, and I picked this up last week at the Apple Store, and I've had it on my phone pretty much all week. I took it off a few times just to change cases and test some other stuff out, but I've been using this in combination with the MagSafe wallet, and it has worked great. The leather is holding up beautifully. Everybody always asks me in my case videos, how are the buttons? These buttons really aren't any different than the iPhone buttons themselves. These are the aluminum buttons on this case. The leather case has aluminum buttons, unlike the silicone cases. And they press in about the same way with the same amount of force as the buttons on the iPhone without a case. They're not stiff or hard to push or anything like that, like those clear cases. Same thing on the other side here. We have your cutout for your sleep-wake switch. And then right here on the bottom, we have the ports cutouts in the speaker and everything like that. Everything is cut out nicely. No issues. The case goes on the phone very easily and stays on there well. There is a slight lip around the edge, not too much though, so you do get a little bit of screen protection. Again, not very much. And then the camera cutout right here, which has a little bit of a plastic ring around it as well. And the camera is recessed in there for protection. So after 1 week, I really do like this case. It adds a nice feel and a very premium look to the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. You can also pick this up now for the 12 mini and the 12 Pro Max in the leather sleeve, and the leather sleeve is coming later. I will be reviewing that when it comes out. Interested to check that out as well and see how that does. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.